Enugwu community in Njikoka Council area stood still as the remains of late engineer Henry Eche was laid to rest. The late engineer Eche was interred at his country home, Etiti Awovo, Enugwu. Chibuzo Bilike has the details.
He was buried amidst tears from his children, grandchildren, siblings, in-laws, admirers, and members of the Anglican Communion. In a sermon during the funeral service, the officiating priest, Venerable Chuks Onura, described the deceased as a true Christian whose life of impact was remarkable. He asked mourners to learn from the deceased life and use the occasion as a point for sober reflection on the kind of life they live. In an interview, a daughter of the deceased, Mrs. Chineku, said he was a role model by all standards. She said his death was untimely, but thank God for giving them a rare father and the best friend anyone could pray for, who was ready to sacrifice for them.
It is not easy for one to give you his or her time, especially at this point, and there's so much insecurity in the state. May God bless them. I really do appreciate being his very last child. He's so much. He's way so much. I miss everything. Our gist, his laughter. This is his direction, his guidance, everything. His kindness.
Appreciating all those that came to sympathize with the family, the first son of the deceased, Mr. Arinze Eche, who said they would miss their father a lot, described him as someone who groomed them into very successful people. He said their father was adored by those who came into contact with him, praying for his soul to rest in the bosom of the Lord.
Through thick and thin, my dad was my mentor. He's one of the reasons I am who I am today. I owe everything I am today to my God and my father.